Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a calling card in Microsoft Word. Want to make a professional calling card? I'll show you how to design a business card in Word. Just a few simple steps. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to open a new document and set size. And to do that, just go to Files and then click on Blank Document. And once you create a new document, go to Layout and then go to Size and then click on More Paper for custom size, and you're gonna want to set the width to 2 inches, 3.5 inches, and the height to 2 inches. Now as you can see, my unit is configured by default as centimeters, so you're gonna want to change it to inches if you want the standard card size to be 3.5 inches and the height to be 2 inches, or you can calculate them manually and write them in centimeters. Now once you do that, click on OK, and for the second step is to add the text and logo. And to do that, just go to the insert section and click on insert a text box, a random text box, and type your name, job title, and contact infos. And also you can use the inserts and to insert a pictures. Click on pictures and browse from your device and add a picture. And you can add in this picture your company logo or whatever. The third step is to customize the design. And to do that, just change the fonts, colors, and alignments for a professional look. Make sure you use shape and icons under insert for a modern design. And for the fourth step, print or save as PDF. And to do that, arrange multiple cards in a table format for easy printing, and in the end save as PDF or print as a cardstock paper. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you create a calling card in Word. Design, customize, and print your professional card easily. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.